pistons that go on the doors. So when you lift it up, it stays up. If I show you on this one, you get what I mean. So if I lift this one up, there you go, you see? There's a piston there that holds the door up. The same on here. Yeah? Well, the same thing happens on, the same thing will be on this one as well. So you just got to put the pistons on that. Doors on here. Door on the bottom there, because that's another storage cupboard as well, underneath the oven. This will be where the microwave goes. That's another storage cupboard, all storage cupboards now. Whereas before the washer was further over here, over this side, we've now got a storage cupboard on the end, on the end here. The washers move further in, And we've got cupboards up there where we had that rack before, where you see all them drill holes where I had the rack. All that's in before. So just now it's just finishing touches. So most of the kitchen is now in. Yeah. There's like the doors to go on. Most of the kitchens are in. Doors to go on and the pistons to hold the flaps up. Then all I've got to do is just a bit of filling this in. Then I've just got that to paint up. The same there again. So they've moved. I don't know what he's doing with this switch here yet. He's not said, but they've stayed. He's moved that plug down. Remember that plug there was further up here. That's the original plug, but he's just moved it down. As you can see, he's channeled it down a bit more. That plug was up here before, if you remember, because we didn't have no cupboards right over here. So all this was dead space, but now we've got storage space. So that's the kitchen going in. So as you can see now, it's becoming to get together. It's becoming to become complete now. So it's just really finishing off touches. There's my dishwasher back in, my washer back in. Not quite connected yet, but of course that'll be done tomorrow. And so you can see now, the kitchen is now beginning to look in. Now you see the fridge freezer's more now built in, not standing freezer as before. So if you haven't seen the other video, go and watch it. We're renovating, and you can see what the kitchen was like when I was up till 3 o'clock in the morning, 3:15 in the morning, emptying out all the cupboards, getting it ready. And then you've seen when everything was ripped out, the walls stripped back, plasterboarded, then plastered. Then I did the painting, and I said I'd show you when it's finished. It's not totally finished yet, but this is the next step. So we're further along, so you can see now everything's going back. So there you got your up skirts. So like I say, it's not being tiled. Up skirts, obviously all that will be siliconed in. Yeah, that'll be siliconed in. There's a windowsill to go on. But there's the cooker hood that I was on about with the backsplash. Now this is an all-in-one. The cooker hood was actually bought with a backsplash, so it does come as one unit. When you buy it, that's what you get: a cooker hood and a backsplash. It's not separate. So that's it. And then what we've done is we've got some sliding drawers here that goes under it for more storage. Got some pans and such. Plus there, don't worry about this template thing here. Let me just show you. Don't worry about that. So we've got more storage. So we've got a bit more storage space now. Don't worry about that. That's just their tools. Just left it in because it's not finished. Nobody keeps taking it away. Bring it back. So that's it. That's where we're up to. And then hopefully the next time you see this, it will be when it's all complete, all the doors on, all the appliances working, and everything going. So there you go. So that's out to the back door, remember. Keep going on about my tile floor because I know people look at this and think it's laminate. Remember, it's not laminate, it's actually tiles that look like laminate. That's out to the back door. Cleaning down all the dust that's throughout the whole house from this mess. But this will now see us through. So that's it for now, and then the next time I hope to video this, it will be with everything done, everything connected, washer, dishwasher. They're in situ, but they're not connected yet because all the pipe work that goes underneath is not yet connected up. So that's got to be connected up, you know, the drainage and everything. And then will be a fully operational kitchen. So bye for now, and then we'll have get the blind people in because we've actually got a blind for the window, but we didn't have them put it up because we was having the kitchen done. So that we're just waiting for that now. Well, we just got to tell them when the kitchen's finished they can come and fit it. So that'll be come and fitted, and that's it. Okay. So, see you in the next video. Hopefully then, everything will be done. Everything will be complete. All the doors will be on. You'll have no workman tools in here. And you can see the actual finished complex. But there you are. So look at the other video. To how it was. Now look where we are now. Yeah. So that's what we are doing in our retirement. Put the finishing touches to our home. So we can chill and relax. See you later, guys. One last look at my cooker hood. I love this cooker hood. I love this backsplash. Beautiful. As you can see, these are upskirts. So I say we're not tiled. Upskirts. So what we've got to do now is, all that's going to happen now is, in here, all around, will be siliconed in. Yeah? Obviously, those are things that will be done after we've cleaned down the surfaces and all the rest of it.